proving. We're doing the daddy funny joke. So you drink water and Dad tells you a joke like, what do you call a bear that poops in the pants? A bear poops.
I don't know if Penny needs to be in the water. Okay, the rules are the kids will put water in their mouth. Daddy will say a dad joke. Whoever laughs and spills their water first loses that round.
What is fast, loud, and crunchy?
That didn't last very long.
What is fast, loud, and crunchy?
I don't know what.
A rocket chip. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because she was stuffed.
Okay, again, Pen.
What do you get when you cross a vampire and a snowman? Frostbite.
Can you guys do it again?
She's done it every time, yes. Why did the student eat his homework? Because his teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Mommy, what are you doing?
What is black and white and red all over? A dead zebra.
Mommy!
What do you call a droid that takes the long way around? R2-D2. What kind of water doesn't freeze? Hot water. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ain't 9. Why did the cookie go to a hospital? Because he felt crummy. What did the little corn say to the mama corn? Where's popcorn?
I thought that one was funny.
That was not funny.
What do you call a ghost true love? His ghoul friend. What did the banana say to the dog? Nothing. Bananas don't talk. What do you call a boomerang that won't come back? A stick. It is. Why can't Elsa have a balloon?
Guys,
She'll
stop.
let it go.
What do you call a banana? A banana? A pig! What do you call a common, a milk, and a penguin? Flipples! What do you call when you put your flippers on and when you wash your car, it gets all dirty, pours poop on it. What do you call that? A dummy. What? Mom, you're
You spilled all over my
Did you choke on it?
A little bit. Okay, last one. Let's see. We gotta get Dad, Penny. Say a funny dad one.
Okay. If dad doesn't laugh, he gets someone. So Dad cries.
Mom, you're dripping.
When a man looks sad, what does that do?
And you're this.
That's so easy.
Yours make no sense. All right, good job, Ben.
No, another one under the mouth.
Dad has to go back to work.
Can I do